Welcome once again, viewers and subscribers. This video here is kind of different, so if you have a problem with cursing or swearing or whatever you term it as, then you might click off at this point. But yeah, I see this video circulate with Mutabaruka. I talk about Fantan Mojah new music video that he make or whatnot. So I just feel like I could jump into the video first, then me talk about it afterwards.
I look at one video with what I say, I tell you, I say weird. Then the man couldn't even put on a little plastic bag for the bed Rasta. I mean, apart from me know him have locks, you know, I mean know him still. Me never see no, when I ever talk about, me never see no twisty locks, man, do a video like that yet. I tell you, me never see a twisted man do a video like that. Much less a man who locks have turban pan him head Rasta. Turban. You know what is that turban to a bubble?
Alright, the voice where you just hear of Mutabaruka, I talk about the Fantan Mojah video where you see that I play in that background. I don't know what problem I have with it, if it's the video with the woman them in there or the song itself. I don't know, nevertheless. Before we even go into it, a man up on stage, that's Mutabaruka, that's when I picture with some Rasta man on stage with a nose ring. Like, I don't say which part. As a Jamaican, a man, a boar knows, especially a Rasta man. And it's okay, maybe there's some significance to them, I don't know. But I act and do a song about it, which me I'll play in the ending of the video too. Bad man no boar knows. But also, me I'll play, like me say, Capleton, Sizzla. A type of song them where the man I put out for a good while now and nobody never sent on to them. And then also, Taurus Riley. Man tattoo up from head to toe now. Flashy jewelry. Nobody not say nothing to him. But this a man a jump Fantan Mojah. He remind me of Foot Hype too. How righteous, holier than thou. Rasta man them way. You know. One like say somebody make them an advocate for Rastafarism. Alright, so without further ado, we could just jump right in. I sang them song/video.
Let me tell you some good one. They got them all good, and them all ever time. To them all no good, they have to give them first prize. They got them all money about it. Stop, I'm Mr. Stop up in the front line. Fat sexy girl, don't call on the grind. Stop up in the front line. Fire for them and them regular right man behind. The woman say pum 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 pum. She want me ram it up. She want it up. Give her it, give her it. Bumbo clad, come me take off the jaws, take down the jaws. Ram black woman and give her it up. Green down, blaze up the chalwa, little but me talawa. Ganja me smoke and I fuck off them gyal ya. Blaze up the chalwa, little but me talawa. May I feel fuck them, oh man ya cannot sing. Give it to them, oh man ya fat put them.
Sing it. What a vibes, we did it again. Chimney with a bad rhythm again. Full of style and we fling it at them. I sing it again. Yeah, so let her pull it up and me so lift it again. Woman never whine and splitting again. Give me the skip and make me flip.
Alright, so the 5 songs that I just done play, I'm gonna understand or say how come this video right here is any worse than them 5 songs that was just played. I don't want to Mutabaruka. This man I just got some issues and I say COVID must get to the man head and all kind of thing. Just a degrade the man and a talk all kind of thing, but take off turban and bro, you sick, something wrong with your Foot Hype senior. But anyways, if I don't make it this far, thanks for watching the video. I mean, like, share, subscribe. And the last song I want me to play, I feel the youth with up on stage with him.
Go get conquer the club. Every girl want take we out of we close. Batman no poor nose. And no our fault we act like stove. Hey banks put